Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make an excellent YouTube banner using a Canva and some AI. I will use this app Copilot to generate some AI images to use it later as a background for YouTube banner. If you already have images and just want to know how to resize it, then just wait for a moment. First, I will make some AI images and then I will show you how you can resize your images. First, let's open the app. The app is available on Windows and Android. You can use your smartphone if you want. The app works the same on both. What you're gonna do right now, simply describe how the image you want to looks like. For example, if your channel about gaming, you can type something like this: logo for gaming channel named Playin01. And this is what I got. And you can add some effects by describe in more details how you want the logo looks like. My channel is about YouTube and video editing, so I did the same thing. I asked for image for editing YouTube channel named Zach Edits with blue and red color, and I get all these things. I keep asking and adding more details. Every time I got something different in the result, as you can see. And for the background, because the image profile is in red and blue color, so I asked for image with red and blue with some layering effect similar as image profile, and that's what I get. Now I have all I need. It's time to edit. Open Canva. If you don't see YouTube banner, right here search and type YouTube banner, then select. Okay, to resize the images and create YouTube banner on Canva, first open Google and type YouTube banner templates. Go to images and save this image. Now go to the Canva and upload the images that you wanna use for YouTube banner. And after that, you can use the template to resize the image background. Now I will place the images that I wanna use as a background for YouTube banner. Okay, after you resize the image, you can improve its quality by going to Upscale. First, click on Edit and right here click on Upscale. Then select how much improvement you wanna make for this image. I will select 4x. Okay, right now the image looks way better. Anyways, you can use any image you want as a background. It's not necessary to create something with AI. Also, you can use just color. If you don't want to use any image, simply click right here and select the color you want. Now place the template, just like this. Resize it to match the Canva like this. On the center is what you see when you open YouTube on smartphone. And from the side to the side is what you see when you open YouTube on Windows. And the entire Canva is what you're gonna see when you open YouTube on TV. Now we need to use a frame. Go to the elements and search for frame lines and resize it as the template. Make the line above the template exactly the same size. After you finish, delete the template so we can see what's behind. Alright, right now you can type the name of your YouTube channel inside the frame. But first, it's better to add and use another frame so the text will look way better. Go to the elements and type frame. Select this one. Resize it the same size as the frame. Alright. In this frame, you can paste color. If you want to use color, also you can use image. Just drag the image above the frame and the image will drop inside the frame automatically. Okay, right now I will select a color. I will select a color similar as background, some blue and red color. I will select similar gradient color. You can keep it like this, or you can decrease and make the color more transparent. After you finish the frame, it's time to add text. Select the font or the type of the text you want, then type the name of your YouTube channel. I will type the name of my YouTube channel right here, then add a sentence that describes the content of your YouTube channel. My channel is about video editing and stuff, so I will just make this sentence make better videos. After you finish from typing, go and edit the text. Go to the effect and set the shadow. Select the effect you wanna use. There is shadow, there is outline and glow. You can use anything that you think looks better. After you add the effect to the text, now it's time to add the logo. If you have image, you can add image. Now we have this image or we have this logo. We need to customize it. You can use some effect as we did with the text. You can use outline, glow, effect, shadow. You can use anything that you think will look better. But for me, I prefer to use frame. Go to the element and type frame again. I will select this shape. I will use circle. Now simply drag the image above the frame and automatically the image will drop inside the frame. Resize it, make it small so it can fit inside the frame. For this frame, you can make it from the side to the side by dragging like this. You can use this way as well. Both looks fine, but I prefer to make it short like this. Alright, now we almost finished. Last thing to do is to use the template again just to make sure the size is right. Select, go to the upload and select the template. Resize the template to match the canva. Then go to the position, then layer and drag the template down behind the object, like this. Now look and check if the size is as right. Make the frame a little bit thicker so when you open YouTube on smartphone you can see the frame lines. After you finish, delete the template. Now we have finished. But sometimes when you download the image from Canva, the size is more than 8 MB and YouTube maximum size for banner is 8 MB. If the image is more than 8 MB, simply you can upload it to the Canva and download it again without changing anything. By doing this, the Canva will decrease the size of the image, and this is the result. So that was the video of today. I hope you find this useful. Have a good day and thank you for watching.